In today's video, I'm going to teach you. Today, I'll show you how to make a simple shopping cart model in Google Sheets on desktop. Start by opening your Google Sheet on desktop. You can use a blank sheet or add this model to an existing one. At the top, create 4 headers: item, price, quantity, and total. Placing these in the first row keeps everything organized. If the text looks cramped, drag the edges of the column headers to adjust the width so everything is easy to read. Now enter your items in the item column and their prices in the price column. Type prices as plain numbers, not with symbols, because we'll format them as currency later. In the quantity column, leave the cells empty for now. We'll use them to record how many of each item you're adding to the cart. In the total column, we're going to calculate the line total for the first item. Click the first total cell next to your item and type XB2C2. This multiplies the price in column B by the quantity in column C for row 2. Press Enter to see the result. If the cell shows an error, double-check that the price and quantity cells contain numbers. To apply that calculation to all your items, copy the formula down the column. The fastest way is to click the cell with the formula, then drag the small square in the bottom right corner of the cell down through the rest of the rows. Each row will automatically adjust to use its own price and quantity. Next, add a grand total cell to sum everything up. Choose a cell below your totals column and type ESUM D2 D20. This adds all the item totals from D2 through D20. If your list is longer or shorter, adjust the range to match your data so the total reflects everything you've entered. If you want preset quantity choices, use data validation to add a drop-down for the quantity column. Select the cells in the quantity column, go to Data, then Data Validation. Choose a list of items as your criteria and enter numbers like 0.1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Click Save, and you'll have a simple, consistent way to pick quantities. For a cleaner look, format the price and total columns as currency. Select those columns, go to Format, Number, and choose Currency. You can tweak decimal places if needed for your region or preference. And that's how you make a simple shopping cart model in Google Sheets on desktop.